In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page breaks in Google Sheets. If you've ever looked for a page break button and couldn't find it, you're not alone. In Google Sheets, page breaks are handled inside the print preview, and today, I'll show you exactly how to control where each page starts and ends so your printouts look clean and intentional. First, open the Print menu. Go to File, then Print, or press Ctrl+P on Windows and Command+P on a Mac. Don't worry, we're not actually printing yet. This simply opens the setup area where you can see how your sheet will lay out on paper or in a PDF. The preview gives you a clear look at the current page boundaries before you commit to anything. On the right side of the preview, click on Set Custom Page Breaks. The sheet will switch into an interactive view, almost like a map of your data. You'll see blue dotted lines marking where Google Sheets currently plans to split your pages. This is incredibly helpful because it shows you, at a glance, whether your tables, headers, or totals are getting cut off in awkward places. Now it's time to take control. Click and drag those blue dotted lines to the exact spots where you want a new page to begin. You can move them horizontally to decide where columns break, or vertically to decide where rows break. Think of the horizontal lines as stacking pages top to bottom, and the vertical lines as placing pages side by side. As you drag, aim to keep logical sections together, like keeping a header row attached to the data it labels, or ensuring a total row lands at the bottom of a page rather than at the top of the next one. Small, precise moves go a long way, and the grid will snap to row and column edges to help you stay aligned. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Confirm Breaks. This locks in your layout and returns you to the print preview with those custom breaks applied. You'll immediately see how each page is defined, so you can double-check that the content flows the way you want. From here, whenever you print or export, Google Sheets will follow the exact page boundaries you just set. That's it. Open the Print menu, choose Set Custom Page Breaks, drag the blue lines to your preferred positions, and confirm. With these simple adjustments, your spreadsheets will print cleanly and professionally, exactly the way you intended.